Today is February the 2nd, and it's Groundhog Day. And this is what we're dealing with. Cold. Milwaukee, Wisconsin, once again, is the frozen tundra. Not much really cold, but we're talking 18 inches of snow here. And I'm moving pretty slow so you can make sure you get all of what we see here. I mean, snow is up to the knees, caps and past the legs in some places. Some people have it worse. Today, this is what we're dealing with. This is about 18 inches, I would say. Between snow drifts, winds, and well, at least we got the sun. I'm recording this for historical presentation, or whatever, reputation, whatever, man. The snow is cold. Everybody's out. Stay indoors.